Guys, if you ever know how long I'm not talk to Gracey. Jesus, please, I'm never afraid. How many Gracey I treat me so bad? Why? You there? No answer. What's there? How many Gracey there? Even belly I roll hungry.
Please leave your message.
No, Gracey. Gracey, I call me back. Gracey? Gracey?
What is it? Why are you yelling out my name? What is it?
My God. So if me not call your phone not ring?
Me call your phone, and you know answer me.
When that?
Busy woman. What you mean when that? The same day you tell me something there and comment I jump on.
Me I say watch Gracey down in the comment section on Facebook and not even call me. Papa Jesus. I never afraid ya.
Time to waste on you.
Why? I'm not here there. Gracey.
What? Gracey, what? What you say? You are calling me stressing you out for?
Boy. No, sir.
When you tell me, you ask me, how you doing? You alright?
Alright, Gracey, you alright?
Me have to ask you that. You want to say that to you for you ask me that?
Yeah. You call me and ask me if me alright?
You answer your phone and me call you?
Me not see no missed call from your pan, none of my phone.
Me no know where she call you.
You there?
Lion and thief work together, you soon start thief.
You there? No, but me not see no missed call.
Me call your phone.
Me not see no missed call from you. As somebody else you call.
That same number you call.
Go check your phone. Maybe I one of your long time man you call.
To you?
Cause it's not me.
Long time man.
It's not me.
No long time man.
Maybe I want a sugar daddy.
I wish.
You there?
I wish.
They out there, Gracey, enough for them.
Me don't have no time for no man see me and me see no man. Me work too hard. The time I left me yard at night and the time I come back in my yard at night, who see me? Not a soul.
You know the time for no sugar daddy, but sugar daddy don't want to see you, then just give you stuff.
Me don't know how to find them, like how you know how to find them, make you not hook me up, because you're hooker. Hook me up now?
Me a hooker? What? What that's supposed to mean? What that's supposed to be?
Because you're sugar daddy. Ask me if you not have no friend.
Who?
You.
Ask me sugar daddy if you not have a friend?
If you not have no friend.
Oh, I'm gonna ask him. You want to call him a merge call?
No. I don't want to talk to you, sugar daddy, because I'm going to hear my voice and want me and nephew.
You there?
What you call me for? What you really call me for disturb me for my job?
Boy. No.
What you want, sir?
No, sir. So my sugar daddy, I go.
From when?
My sugar daddy, I go.
You call me from morning.
You there? So your phone work one way?
No, it worked both ways, but I said again, I call you and I don't get you.
Me not get no missed call from you.
Pick up voicemail, me not joke.
Cause my voicemail not work. Every time I try to put it in, it tell me about. I have this password from my voicemail from 2014 or 2015. 2015. And them I go tell me how it not work. Every time I try to enter it, I tell them about it not work. Crazy. Me have to call T-Mobile and tell them, say, them fix it and them reset it for me. So, the whole of the message them. But you not left no message, because I'm not get none from you.
No, me not left message, you know.
Yeah. Anyways, back to the sugar daddy. Yeah, okay,
okay.
Okay.
One, you know. If you ever look at your one. You know what they do on the sugar business.
If me ever have a sugar daddy, me can't tell boy.
You don't know no more sugar.
Me have to run out of ya.
What?
If me ever have a sugar daddy, me have to run out of ya.
Run for what? So you not tell my friend that one sugar mama?
We are there. So vice versa.
Yeah.
Sugar daddy to sugar mama.
Quite so.
He didn't tell me about
Anything when
say.
you get on a share,
He
it's
didn't
about
tell me
you.
about say my girl left me for Queen Latifah and then find
Queen
out.
Latifah no want nobody. You know that Queen
But
Latifah
no,
don't
but
like
that
her.
a long time from Max from me at 25. Max tell me that. Monique and Queen Latifah. And when he no
Monique?
Monique, that time Monique did fat you know. Cause Max love fat man. Them say when he come a foreign, him a go left me
Don't
for.
do that up there where you put up on this more than you make me know.
I say you sit down and watch out the page. Max tell me say when he come a foreign, him a go left me for Queen Latifah and Monique. Them time. So me tell him say, anytime he reach there, me I go left him for Denzel Washington. Yeah, me didn't tell him so years ago. Them telling me about 25. No, it's 26, so I think. Yeah, me there, I'm just a short you and I check in and see what I go on. Just I come from the mall.
Where you come from?
The mall.
Where do I know?
Let's see, I'm find my birthday outfit, you know? Because,
Where you come?
birthday right around the corner. So, la la la. La.
Sunday evening, I come drop it off.
Alright.
Yeah, they won't until a certain time you're there.
Alright.